You know, funny story, today seems to be the clearest day, the day that I'll be leaving.
Good morning. This is the way you want it?
Is it?
I saw Mr. Smith send me a. You want a box to go down?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? The sugar?
And
And
is
the
it?
hot chocolate.
Okay.
Oh. So you want a body wash, a box to go. We have to go to my office for the body wash.
Okay.
Alright.
Look at all this sun. The sun is brightest on the day I intend to leave. Why am I choosing so with the sun? Yeah, bro, the sun bright today. Yeah, as you guys would have seen, I have a bit of cleaning up to do. Just go clean up. I have a lot of leftover food, eat some of that. Definitely going to take advantage of the pool before leaving today. I have some leftover breakfast. I'm going to eat now. The coffee is warming up, guys. I'm going to have my breakfast and then go to the pool for a bit because I have to leave in like an hour. I already did most of the cleaning up already, so it's just to go to the pool, shower, leave. Okay, ouch. Yeah guys, so funny story. just as I'm about to leave the room to go to the pool, I just see two random persons. Two random persons in the pool, as in they were not here for the whole weekend, but I mean, it's just life, and it's the only day that's actually good with good visibility. The water is extremely nice, guys. Wanna come with me?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Alright guys, I definitely wished the weather was like this for the most part of the trip, but it was not. The pool is it's fun, you know. It's now 11:59. I need to leave the room by 12, so probably do like the next 20 minutes here, then go get ready to check out. So that's it for the pool. Now guys, I'm just going to go in and take a shower and get ready to leave.
Oh God, time, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing losing my mind. Would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like water in the pan.
So guys, I almost left
It's hard
the
to
camera
keep
charger.
up.
This just goes to show that you should always check all outlets and jars before leaving any Airbnb. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this series as much as I did. Thank you guys for joining me. Can go back and check out some of the old videos. Consider subscribing, and remember, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent.
My side signs don't matter. Immigration issues trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. Would hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Would truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. In no time.